Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be show you how to do SFS on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to animate SFS meaning is snap for snap. So here we can see I open my camera roll and I'm going to capture a basic photo from here, and I'm clicking on text tool. And after clicking on text tool, you will find this mention icon here, so you have to click on mention, and from here you will get your all the friends on your Snapchat. And from here I'm selecting these friends, and after that clicking on this OK. Now I'm clicking on send to. Now I can send this onto my story. So this is how we can do SFS on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to animate. Thanks for watching this video.